Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you guys watch the channel, and you know that we have these chickens, we have 9 chickens here. Right now it is the winter time in Minnesota, so the daylight is short. Right now it is 18 below outside, and we're still getting anywhere between 2 and 6 eggs a day, usually 4. So we're getting way more eggs than Melissa and I can eat. So she boiled a bunch of them up yesterday. Today I peeled them. And tomorrow we're going to pickle some eggs. Good morning everybody. Haven't been doing a whole lot today. It's actually getting close to noon. I do have the stove going in the workshop. But Melissa and I are going to be running up to the Black Bear Casino and doing the seafood buffet. So I haven't got into any projects here. But I am going to get these eggs pickled and get them put into the fridge. I have my eggs in there. I'm going to put a couple of cloves of garlic in each one of these jars. I think I'll put a bay leaf in each one of these. We're going to need 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, a couple of tablespoons of sugar, a couple of teaspoons of salt, and then I'm going to put in 4 teaspoons of pickling spice. I'm going to add some dill weed in here too. I'm just going to bring this up to a small boil here and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And then we'll pour it over the eggs. I think I'm also going to add some chunks of beet in there. It'll give it some color. A lot of times you do this and you use beet juice, and that'll make your the eggs real, I don't know, whatever colored all the way through to the yolk, but I don't want to do it that way. I just want to add this in for some color. Doesn't take long at all for it to cool down because the eggs, you put them in cold from the fridge. Some people say to make sure they've been in the fridge for a couple of days before you put them in here, but so I mean this cooled down right away. They can go in the fridge right now. Well everyone, it's been over a week since the pickled eggs went into the refrigerator. It's time to give them a taste and see how they turned out. Well, they look pretty good. I want to see if how much of the coloring got on the eggs actually. I'm going to cut one open to see what it looks like inside. Well, the pink did go all the way through, or whatever color that is, all the way to the yolk. That's a pretty egg. It's pretty good. The pickling is not very strong. I actually like that. And that's a good way to store eggs for a month. Some people said 5 months or whatever. Well, I can honestly say I liked them. I would like to try these once using apple cider vinegar. That might be too strong though. These are a mildly pickled egg and they tasted really good. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. And welcome to Melissa's As the Rooster Crows YouTube channel. I'll post a few videos here once in a while.